Well, you have background about concept of Simulink after passing previous chapters, but if we have a general definition about the block in Simulink, it means any part of Simulink means block, which have special for example, a scope is for displaying output, but relational operator is for comparisons. And also here we have some blocks that they have general aim, but if we go down, you can see specialized blocks that they are located in library. So what does it mean? The library, it means a set of blocks that have common aim which act independently. So it means library. Library means something that there are many blocks in it and have common aim. For example, fuzzy logic control system toolbox. For example, here just we have fuzzy logic toolbox here. Here, for example, we have just neural network or other parts. Here, for example, we have state flow. And also, there are two different blocks, main blocks and sub blocks. Main blocks means effect on the output of the system. If you, for example, we can say that blocks of source, that each block defined for a special output. If you want, for example, get sinus wave, you should use this block. So these are very important and are main block. And subblocks means that they don't affect on the output. For example, here we have scope. You here, for example, just use the scope to see the output. And if you do not use it, your output is same and constant. It doesn't change. For example, here, for example, sync, that they are subblocks.